If you always to keep the same websites open in Google Chrome, pinning tabs is one of the easiest ways to stay organized. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin tabs in Google Chrome in just a few seconds, and I'll also show you how to unpin them when you no longer need them. This is a simple Chrome trick, but it can save you time every single day, especially if you use email, documents, dashboards, or any site you always want ready at the top of your browser. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and locate the tab you want to keep open permanently at the top of your Chrome window. This can be any tab you use often, like a work tool, a website you check daily, or even a web app you always want available. Once you've found the tab, right-click directly on that specific tab. When you do that, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Pin. As soon as you do, Chrome will shrink the tab down and move it into a smaller pinned version on the left side of your tab bar. Pinned tabs are much easier to keep track of because they stay in place. Even when you open and close other tabs, they also take up less space, which helps keep your browser cleaner and more organized. That's really all there is to pinning a tab in Chrome. It's a fast way to make sure your most important pages are always just one click away. If you want to pin more than one tab, just repeat the same process for each one. Right-click the tab, then choose Pin again. You can pin as many useful tabs as you need to keep your browser setup efficient. Now, if you ever want to reverse the process, unpinning is just as easy. Right-click the pinned icon and select Unpin. Chrome will return that tab to its normal size and place it back with your regular tabs. This is helpful if you no longer want that page fixed at the front of your browser. Pinned tabs are especially useful if you work in Chrome all day and want to speed up your workflow. Instead of searching for the same websites every time, you can keep them pinned and ready to go. It's a small feature, but once you start using it, it becomes one of those little Chrome tricks you'll wonder how you ever lived without. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more short and useful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.